Word 2013 is a powerful word processing program. You can use it to create documents, brochures, resumes, recipe books, and just about anything else you can imagine. When you open Word, you will first be taken to the Start screen. From here, you can access recently used documents or create something new, either from scratch or from a template. Let us click Blank Document. You might want to take a minute to explore the interface. Let us begin with the ribbon at the top of the screen. This is a collection of tools and features designed in such a way that you can easily find what you are looking for. The ribbon is divided into tabs. Within each tab, there are groups that contain logically related command buttons based on what you are doing. Extra contextual tabs appear and disappear as you work. Some groups have an arrow at the bottom right corner. Clicking this allows access to even more commands. The Word ribbon displays the following tabs. Home. The Home tab contains the most commonly needed commands. These help you do things like formatting text, copying text, and positioning it appropriately. Insert. The Insert tab has a lot of useful features that enable you to insert things like pictures, clip art images, shapes, smart art graphics, charts, and many other items. Design. The Design tab has design features like themes, backgrounds, colors, and borders that you can apply to the whole document. Page Layout. The Page Layout tab lets you control the look and feel of your document by specifying things like page size, orientation, and margins. References. The References tab contains commands which allow you to create various types of references like table of contents, footnotes, and captions. Mailings. The Mailings tab includes commands which enable you to use the Mail Merge feature. Review. The Review tab has commands which you can use to review and improve your document. View. The View tab allows you to view your document in different ways. If you ever feel that the ribbon is taking up too much space, you can always hide or minimize it. All you need to do is click the arrow at the upper right corner and choose the option you want. This corner is also a place from where you can access your Microsoft account. Here, you can update your photo, manage your account settings, or switch to a different account altogether. You can even customize your copy of Microsoft Word to make certain commands more convenient. Let us look at the Quick Access toolbar in the upper left corner. This area gives you access to frequently used commands like save and undo, no matter where you are in the ribbon. To add more commands, just click the tiny arrow next to the toolbar and choose the one you want. Now, a look at the work area itself. This is the space in the center where you actually create and edit your document. In this document, you can see two small rulers, one at the top and the other on the left. These make it easier to adjust your document and control the layout of your text. To show or hide the rulers, go to the View tab and check or uncheck the ruler box as required. In the bottom right corner, you see a few more tools that let you change the way your document is displayed. Let us see what each of them does. To zoom in or out, click and drag the zoom control. The number next to it will tell you what the zoom percent is. You can use the three buttons to the left of the zoom control to switch between different document views. Read mode opens the document full screen. This view is great for reading large amounts of text or simply reviewing your work. Print layout is the default. It shows you what the document will look like on a printed page. Web layout displays the document as a web page. This is useful if you actually use Word to publish content to the web. Last but not the least, let's take a quick tour of the Backstage view. You can get there by clicking the File tab at the left end of the ribbon. Here, you can access all kinds of information related to your current document and more. This includes commands like New, Open, Save, and Print. All you have to do is click on an item and it opens in the right pane. This makes it easy to find what you are looking for, and you can review all options in one place. That covers the basics of Word 2013. You are now familiar with the interface comprising of the ribbon and the work area as well as the Backstage view. You are ready to begin with the case studies. You will be amazed at how much you can do with Word. Good luck!
In this assignment, you will learn about the Home tab, groups in the Home tab. The Home tab. The Home tab contains the most commonly needed commands. It is divided into 5 groups. A brief description of each of them is given below. Clipboard. This group contains the main editing commands such as cut, copy, and paste. Font. These commands enable you to modify and enhance the appearance of your text. Paragraph. These commands enable you to format complete paragraphs. Styles. These commands enable you to apply predefined formatting instructions. Editing. These commands help you to find and replace text as well as make selections. In this assignment, you will learn copying, cutting, and pasting text. Format Painter using drag and drop. Copy. The copy icon is used to copy a selection to the clipboard, which is a temporary storage area. This command, when used along with the paste command, enables you to copy a section from one part of your document to another. Select some text and then on the Home tab in the Clipboard group, click Copy. You may also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. The document itself does not change, but the selected text is copied to the clipboard. Cut. The cut icon is used to move a selection to the clipboard. This command, when used along with the paste command, enables you to move a section from one part of your document to another. Select some text and then on the Home tab in the Clipboard group, click Cut. You may also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+X. The text is removed from the document and placed on the clipboard. The Clipboard Task pane. The Clipboard Task pane is used to view the contents of the clipboard. On the Home tab in the Clipboard group, click the Dialog Box launcher to display the Clipboard Task pane. Here you can see all items that you have copied or cut. The Paste All button is used to insert the complete contents, while Clear All clears all the contents. Click any item to insert it individually. Paste. The paste icon is used to insert the latest copied or cut item from the clipboard into the document. Copy plus paste is used to copy a section from one part of your document to another, while cut plus paste is used to move a section from one part to another. Any selected text or objects are replaced by the pasted contents. Place your cursor suitably. Then, on the Home tab in the Clipboard group, click Paste or use the shortcut Ctrl+V. The contents of the clipboard are placed at the current cursor position. Paste options. When you paste an object or some text, a small paste options icon is displayed. Click this to view the various paste options. Keep source formatting preserves the look of the original text. Merge formatting changes the formatting so that it matches the text that surrounds it. Keep text only removes all the original formatting from the text. Paste Preview. Move your mouse pointer over the individual paste options to preview results and click your preferred option. This facility is called as Paste Preview. The default is pasting the items with identical formatting as the source. You can also see the paste options by clicking the arrow below the paste icon in the Clipboard group. Format Painter. The Format Painter command is used to copy the formatting applied to a section of the text to another section. First, select the section of text which has formatting applied. Then, on the Home tab in the Clipboard group, click Format Painter. Your mouse pointer changes to a paintbrush. Now, drag it over the text to which you wish to apply the formatting. You can now drag and drop. All Windows applications have the ability to copy or move selections using the drag and drop feature. Let us now move the text that we moved using the cut and paste commands back to its original location. First, select the item to be moved. Then place the mouse pointer on it and drag to the new location, keeping the mouse button pressed. You may now drop the selection by releasing the mouse button. Copying between multiple documents. You can also copy-paste or cut-paste between two documents. Save the current document by clicking Save on the Quick Access toolbar. Now open a new Word document. This second document becomes the active program. The previous document we were working with is the dormant program now. The inactive program appears dimmed on the taskbar. Make it active by clicking on its taskbar button. Now select some text. Copy it by clicking the Clipboard group Copy icon. Move to the new document by clicking on the related taskbar button. Paste the contents by clicking the Home tab, Clipboard group, Paste icon. In this assignment, you will learn what is formatting, changing fonts, font sizes and colors, applying and removing font effects, changing the capitalization of text.
Setting up the way a page of text will look by entering certain attributes is called formatting. The font group contains various commands for formatting text. To apply formatting to existing text, you have to select it first. Let us select the title, which is the first line of text, and change the font. When text is selected, a mini toolbar is automatically displayed. It remains semi-transparent until you move your mouse pointer over it. It provides easy access to the most used formatting commands. You will be comfortable using it after you are more familiar with the Word application. For now, let us use the command buttons on the ribbon.
Font. A font is a design for a set of characters. The font box is used to change the font of selected text. Changing the font can be used to enhance the appearance of text or to make it appear different from the surrounding text. On the Home tab, in the Font group, click the down arrow in the font box. In the displayed menu, move your mouse over the different fonts. The Live Preview feature allows you to preview pointer how the selected font would affect the appearance of the text without actually applying it. Click on the font you like. Font size. The font size box is used to apply a uniform size to the characters of selected text. It is measured in points. A point is 1 by 72 of an inch. Normally, a larger font size is used for headings and important text. On the Home tab, in the Font group, click the down arrow in the font size box and select a suitable option. Grow font and shrink font. The grow font icon is used to proportionately increase the size of selected text. This icon enables you to increase the font size without specifying the actual size in points. On the Home tab, in the Font group, click the Grow Font icon to increase the font size. You may click it as many times as needed to get the required size. Similarly, the Shrink Font icon is used to proportionately decrease the size of text. Font color. The font color icon is used to change the color of selected text. Using different colors makes text more attractive. Different categories of text can be colored differently to make them appear distinct. On the Home tab, in the Font group, click the arrow next to the font color icon and select a color from the displayed palette. Have a look. Your text is now displayed in the selected color. Bold. The bold icon is used to make text appear darker and thicker. Bold text is often used for titles, headings, and other text required to be prominently displayed. Select some text and then on the Home tab in the font group, click Bold. You can see that the text appears in bold font. Italic. The italic icon is used to make the characters of selected text slant to the right. Italics are often used to emphasize words or make them appear different from other text. Select some text and then on the Home tab in the font group, click Italic. Your text now appears in italics. Underline. The underline icon is used to draw a line below text. Text is normally underlined when you wish to call attention to it. Select some text and click Underline. Your text is now underlined. You may choose other underline styles and colors by clicking the arrow to the right of the underline icon. Change case. The change case icon is used to change the capitalization of text. This means you may specify which parts you want in capital letters and small letters. Select the heading Text. Now on the Home tab, in the font group, click Change Case. Select an option from the ones displayed. Let us select Uppercase. You can see that your text is displayed with all capital letters. Text Highlight Color. The text highlight color icon is used to make text look like it was marked with a highlighter pen. The reader surely cannot miss seeing highlighted text. Select the text which you want to highlight. On the Home tab, in the font group, click on the arrow next to the text highlight color icon and select a color from the palette. Your text appears with the selected color in the background. You can remove text highlighting by selecting Text Highlight Color, No Color. When no text is selected, clicking this icon displays the pointer as a highlighting pen. Drag it over the area you wish to highlight and press Escape when done. Text Effects. The text effects icon is used to apply various effects to selected text. Applying text effects enhances the appearance of text. Select some text and on the Home tab, in the font group, click Text Effects. Various text styles are displayed for selection. Additionally, you can select outline, shadow, reflection and glow effects from the list below by rolling over an option to see the related list. Click on an effect to apply it to the selected text. Doesn't this text look great now? Clear formatting. Sometimes you may decide that the formatting you have applied doesn't look too good. The clear formatting icon is used to clear all applied formatting. This is also useful in removing the formatting of copied text or when you want the text to appear plain. Select some text to which formatting effects have been applied. Then, on the Home tab, in the font group, click Clear Formatting. The formatting is removed and the text is restored to its original status. Strikethrough. The strikethrough icon is used to draw a line through the middle of selected text. This proves useful when you need to strike out unwanted text while editing or proofing a document. Select the text and on the Home tab, in the font group, click Strikethrough. The text is not actually deleted, but a line is drawn across it. Subscript and Superscript. Subscripts and superscripts are used in formulas, mathematical expressions, and descriptions of chemical compounds. The subscript icon is used to create small letters below the text baseline. To subscript text, select it and then on the Home tab in the font group, click Subscript. The text now appears smaller and moves below the other text. Similarly, the superscript icon is used to create small letters above the line of text. To superscript text, select it and then on the Home tab in the font group, click Superscript. The text appears smaller and is raised above the other text. The font dialog box. The font dialog box is used to apply a combination of various formatting effects. On the Home tab, in the font group, click the dialog box launcher to display the font window. Enter your requirements and click OK. In this assignment, you will learn alignment, indentation, line spacing, bullets and numbering, using multi-level lists, creating borders, applying shading, sorting data. Alignment. Alignment refers to the way text is positioned horizontally in a given space. This is usually the space between a page's margins, but it can also be the space within a table cells, text box, or in any other object that can hold text. Let's learn how to align text. The Align Text Center icon is used to align text to the center margin. Select the text and then on the Home tab, in the paragraph group, click Align Text Center or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+E. You can see that the text gets central alignment such that it is equidistant from the left and right margins. Similarly, the Align Text Right or Ctrl+R is used to align text to the right margin. The Justify icon or Ctrl+J is used for alignment of text to both the left and right margins, adding extra space between words as required. Click Align Text Left or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+L. You can see that the text gets aligned to the left margin. Indentation. Indentation determines the distance of the paragraph from either the left margin or the right margin. Indentation ensures proper alignment as well as makes the document look well formatted and professional. Click within a paragraph, then on the Home tab in the paragraph group, click Increase Indent to move the paragraph to the right. Click the same icon once again to move it further. Now click Decreased Indent twice to move the paragraph back to its original position. Using the ruler for indentation. You can also use the horizontal ruler just below the ribbon for indentation. If you do not see the ruler, click the View Ruler button at the right corner just above the vertical scroll bar. Click within a paragraph and drag the square left indent marker along the ruler bar to where you want the entire paragraph indented. To indent only the first line of a paragraph, drag the first line indent marker to the required position. Similarly, to indent all but the first line of a paragraph, use the hanging indent marker. To apply indentation to multiple paragraphs, select them and then use the markers on the ruler. Line spacing. The line spacing icon is used to change the spacing between lines of text. Let's learn how to use it. Click within a paragraph or select the text you would like to change the line spacing for. On the Home tab, in the paragraph group, click the line and paragraph spacing icon and make your selection from the options displayed. Look, the space between the lines has been adjusted. Bullets. The bullets icon is used to create a bulleted list. A bulleted list is normally used for logically related information. Creating such a list makes specific information stand out from the rest of the text. Let's learn to create a bulleted list from existing text. Select the required text. Then, on the Home tab from the paragraph group, click Bullets. Your text now appears as a bulleted list. To choose a bullet style, click the arrow next to the bullets icon and make your selection. You can create a bulleted list from scratch as well. Simply click the bullets icon and start typing your list. Pressing Enter takes you to the next bulleted point. To end the list, either click the icon once again or press Enter twice. Numbering. The numbering icon is used to create a numbered list. Such a list is normally used to convey a sequence of events. Let's see how this list is created. Select the required text and on the Home tab in the paragraph group, click Numbering. Your text now appears as a numbered list. You have the option to restart numbering, continue numbering, or even skip some numbers from the previous list used. Simply right-click on the number and select from the options Restart at 1, Continue numbering, or Set numbering value. Multi-level list. The multi-level list icon is used to create a multi-level list. Such a list shows the list items at different levels rather than at one level. Different items are indented to represent their level in a document structure. Click where you want to begin your list. On the Home tab, in the paragraph group, click Multi-level list and select a list style. Now type the first item of the list and press Enter. Press the Tab key and then type the next level item. Press enter and then tab. Now type an item at the third level. To type another item at the same level, simply press enter without pressing tab. Press enter twice to enter an item at the previous level. You can see that all levels are numbered appropriately. Changing levels. You can easily change the level of an item in a multi-level list by clicking near the item and increasing or decreasing the indent by using the increase indent or decrease indent keys respectively. Borders. The borders icon is to create a border around text. This is useful when you want the text to appear within a separate box-like structure. Select the required text and on the Home tab in the paragraph group, click the arrow next to the Borders icon and select the type of border you require. Your text is now displayed with the specified border. To remove borders, select the text and then select Borders. No borders. Shading. The shading icon is used to shade the background behind selected text. Select text and on the Home tab in the paragraph group, click the arrow next to the shading icon. Select a color from a displayed palette. The background of the text is now of the selected color. Sort. The sort icon is used to sort text, data, or numbers according to specified criteria in ascending or descending order. Let us sort the list in the document displayed. Click anywhere within the list and on the Home tab in the paragraph group, click Sort. In the Sort window, you may select the options that you want and then click OK. You can see that the list is now sorted as specified. Show, Hide. The Show, Hide icon is used to display non-printing characters in your text, such as paragraph marks, line breaks, tab stops, and spaces. On the Home tab in the paragraph group, click the Show, Hide icon. All formatting marks in the document are displayed. To remove this, click this icon once again. The paragraph dialog box. The paragraph dialog box is used to apply a combination of various paragraph formatting effects. On the Home tab in the paragraph group, click the dialog box launcher to display the paragraph window. Enter your requirements and click OK. Setting tab stops. A tab stop is the amount of spacing that is applied each time you press the tab key. When more than a single space is required to be inserted between words, it is advisable to use tabs rather than spaces to avoid problems with text alignment. Let us learn to set the position of a tab stop in a blank document. On the Home tab, in the paragraph group, click the dialog box launcher to display the paragraph dialog box. The tabs window. In the paragraph window, on the Indents and Spacing tab, click Tabs to display the tabs window. In the default tab stops box, enter 2 cm and click OK. Now enter the text as shown, pressing the tab key after each word. You can see on the ruler that each word appears at a distance of 2 cm from the other. To quickly set tab stops, simply click the ruler at the location you want your tab stop. Now enter the same text pressing the tab key after each word. You can see that this time The distance between the words is as per the new tab stops specified. In this assignment, you will learn applying styles, modifying styles, creating new styles. Styles Gallery. The Styles Gallery is used to apply styles. A style is a set of predefined formatting instructions that you can use repeatedly throughout the document. Using styles help you format your document consistently and enables quick formatting modifications. Let us apply styles to the displayed document. Click in front of the main title or anywhere within it and then click the Heading 1 style. Now apply the Heading 2 style to all the subheadings. You can see that applying a style requires just a click. Isn't this better than manually formatting text? Change styles. The Change Styles icon is used to change an applied style. Let us learn how to do this. On the Home tab, in the Styles group, click Change Styles. Move the mouse over the first option, Style Set, and then over the various sub-options. Changing the style set allows you to change all the styles used. You can see a live preview of how your document will appear if you select a different style set. Now, hover over the Colors option and related sub-options. After that, view the Fonts option and sub-options. You can even use the Paragraph Spacing option to modify the spacing between the lines of your document with a single click. Modifying styles. You may modify an existing style in other ways as well. The wonderful part is that the modification is reflected throughout the document. Right-click the Heading 2 style in the Styles Gallery and select Modify. In the Modify Style window, you may change any of the properties of this style. Let's change the color and then click OK. Look at this. All subheadings which have this style applied are displayed with the new color. Isn't this great? Imagine the time it would take to manually change the headings of a really long document. Creating a new style. You can create your own custom styles. Select some text and change its color and font. Now right-click and from the pop-up menu, select Styles, Save Selection as a new quick style. In the window displayed, enter a name for the style and click OK. There you are. Your style is displayed in the Styles Gallery, ready to be applied anywhere else. Now apply this style to some other text. The Styles Dialog Box. The Styles Dialog Box is used to manage your styles. On the Home tab, in the Styles group, click the Dialog Box launcher to display the Styles window. You may use the buttons at the bottom to create new styles and modify existing ones. Click the X-shaped icon at the top right corner to close this window. In this assignment, you will learn finding text, replacing text using the Select command. Find. The Find icon is used to search for a word or phrase in a document. Let's learn to use it. On the Home tab, In the Editing group, select Fine or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+F. This displays the navigation pane at the left. Enter the text you wish to search for in the box at the top. All instances of the text are highlighted in your document. In the navigation pane, each instance is displayed in a separate box along with some text before and after the search text. You can use the scroll bar or the previous next arrows to move between the instances. Click in a specific box to move to the related instance. Click the X-shaped icon at the top right to close the navigation pane. Replace. The Replace icon is used to replace a searched word or phrase in a document by some other text. On the Home tab, from the Editing group, select Replace or use the shortcut Ctrl+H. This displays the Replace tab of the Find and Replace window. Enter the text you wish to find in the Find What box and the text with which you wish to replace it in the Replace With box. Click the Replace button. The first occurrence of the search text is highlighted. Click Replace again to replace it with the new text. The cursor moves to the next occurrence of the search text. Replace all. You may click the More button to specify additional search options. Click Find Next to move to the next occurrence of the searched text. You may click the Replace All button to replace all occurrences of the searched text by the new text. A window appears showing the number of replacements made. Select. To select a section of a document, you need to simply click and drag your mouse over it. To select an object, such as a shape, click on it. To make multiple selections which are not adjacent, keep the Ctrl key pressed and select. The Select icon can be used to make various other types of selections. On the Home tab, in the Editing group, click Select. You may use the displayed options to make selections. Click Selection pane to display the Selection and Visibility pane at the right. The purpose of the pane is to list all the objects on the current page. When you select an object, such as a picture or shape in the Selection and Visibility pane, Word also selects it in the document itself. You'll learn more about objects later. Overview. Friends, we have just learnt about the key features and commands of the Home tab, which is probably the most useful tab. After applying these features, our document looks like the one displayed on screen. You may try to enhance the document on your own by using different options and variations from the Home tab. There is a lot more that you can do with your document. You can make it more attractive and informative by adding pictures, illustrations, tables, and other objects. These can be done using the Insert tab. So let's move to next lab and learn to use the Insert tab.